Students have gathered here to protest against the NEET paper leak. This anger echoes the outgoing hunger strike by Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on indefinite hunger strike for over 20 days for justice and system reforms. Despite his actions, our government has still not given him the justice that he's demanding. As a student myself, it is really disheartening to see the parents of the students who have died crying. That's all, and this is the protest which is going on here, and yeah, that's all.
I'm so happy that we have gathered here and there are people in Jantar Mantar who are protesting for our future. My message to the government is, it's high time that you start working, because enough is enough.
The protest is against the NEET paper leak. I'm somebody who has written NEET by myself. I've written NEET PG. So I know how difficult it is to go through that exams, and it's paper leak, and the solution for that is just re-examination, and I don't think that's fair. So I think someone should be accountable for this.
Where you are from?
I'm from
All here in solidarity with students who have raised some important concerns regarding the lapses and gaps in the education system in India. And there has been protests, as you know, and hunger strike in Delhi. And we're in solidarity with the hunger strikers and with students across India whose futures depend on the education system. And education is such an issue that is important for many reasons. It reflects the status of democracy in the country. It reflects the status of class structures and minority rights. And it's something also that concerns every section of society across, divisions. So it's a very, very central issue. And we're, as you can see, with the amazing turnout on such short notice, it's a cause that really affects.
Just to show our support to the CJP team, and especially to the Sonam Wangchuk sir. No? As we heard, for so many days he was in hunger strike for the justice of the students. As we came to know that so many children, so many students, they killed themselves because of the leakage of the papers, no? The exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. That is only.
Initiative which young people, I think on their own, using the tools they know best how to use, which is social media. I also just saw on social media that they are organizing, they're coming together along with the rest of the country to protest this government, which seems totally disinterested in solving any problems. We know that in Jantar Mantar, students and along with Sonam Wangchuk and others have been on a hunger strike for more than 20 days. The demand began with the paper leak of NEET, but actually even before that there have been so many, and there continues to be even state level paper leaks and things like that. And for students, I think it is so frustrating because the education system as a whole is collapsing. They are pushing for privatization, where education is out of reach of many people because it's expensive. It's expensive, but it's not even quality education. And on top of that, you have a judge insulting them, saying that these Bekam students who don't have work are like cockroaches. I mean, it just shows the contempt with which this government looks at its citizens.